Urban farming is changing, especially as more people move into cities and space becomes limited. In 2024, innovative methods are making it possible to grow your food even in the smallest urban settings. So, in today's video, we will tell you about the latest trends in urban farming, focusing on innovative methods to grow your food. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get started. The rise of urban farming. As cities get bigger, more and more people want fresh, local food. Urban farming helps with this by turning empty city spaces into gardens where we can grow food. This way, we don't have to transport food from far away, which is good because it lowers the pollution caused by trucks and trains. Urban farming also helps us be more sustainable because we're using what we have around us to grow food instead of relying on faraway places. Plus, it makes city folks more self-sufficient because they can grow their food right where they live. Vertical gardens. Vertical gardens are a great solution for people who want to grow their food but don't have a lot of space. These gardens use vertical surfaces, like walls or specially designed structures, to grow plants upwards instead of outwards. This method is perfect for urban settings where ground space is limited. Vertical gardens can be installed both indoors and outdoors and can include a variety of plants such as herbs, vegetables, and flowers. They not only maximize space, but also add a touch of greenery and beauty to city environments, making them more pleasant to live in. Hydroponics growing plants in water. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using water that is enriched with nutrients instead. This innovative technique allows plants to grow faster and produce higher yields compared to traditional soil gardening. Hydroponic systems can be set up indoors, making them ideal for urban environments where outdoor space might be scarce. These systems use less water than soil-based gardening because the water is recirculated. With hydroponics, city dwellers can enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables and herbs all year round, even in small apartments. Urban farming offers numerous benefits for both individuals and communities. For individuals, it provides access to fresh, healthy food and can save money on grocery bills. It also promotes physical activity and reduces stress. For communities, urban farming can help improve food security and reduce the environmental impact of transporting food. Additionally, urban gardens can improve air quality, reduce the urban heat island effect, and provide green spaces that enhance the beauty and livability of cities. Overall, urban farming supports a sustainable and healthy urban lifestyle. Starting your vertical garden. Starting a vertical garden at home is easier than you might think. First, choose a suitable location that gets plenty of sunlight. You can buy a pre-made vertical garden kit or build your structure using materials like wood or plastic. Select plants that are well-suited for vertical growth, such as herbs, leafy greens, and strawberries. Make sure to install a reliable watering system, such as drip irrigation, to keep your plants hydrated. With a little planning and effort, you can transform a small space into a thriving vertical garden that provides fresh produce for your kitchen. Begin with hydroponics. Beginning with hydroponics can seem challenging, but it's quite manageable with the right approach. Start by choosing a hydroponic system that fits your space and needs. There are several types, including deep water culture, DWC, and nutrient film technique, NFT. Select plants that grow well in hydroponic systems, such as tomatoes, lettuce, and herbs. Prepare a nutrient solution and maintain the correct pH levels to ensure healthy plant growth. With these steps, you can successfully start your hydroponic garden. Combining vertical gardens and hydroponics. Combining vertical gardening and hydroponics can maximize your food production in small urban spaces. Vertical hydroponic systems stack hydroponic setups vertically, allowing you to grow more plants in less space. This method is particularly effective for urban environments where ground space is limited. By integrating the space-saving benefits of vertical gardens with the efficient water and nutrient use of hydroponics, you can achieve high yields in a compact area. This approach is scalable, so you can start small and expand as you gain experience and confidence in your urban farming skills. The future of city farming. The future of city farming looks bright as more people adopt innovative methods to grow their food. Advances in technology are making urban farming more accessible and efficient. Smart gardening systems, which automate watering and nutrient delivery, are becoming popular. Additionally, community gardens and urban farms are spreading across cities, providing fresh produce and fostering a sense of community. As urban farming continues to evolve, it will play a crucial role in creating sustainable, resilient cities. By embracing these methods, we can ensure that future generations have access to fresh, healthy food, even in densely populated urban areas. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Green Life Guide to stay updated with the latest content. You can also follow us on Instagram, Green Life Guide Official. Thanks for watching.